Today, we will be showing you how to make a cold house warm. First, you're going to want to get yourself a fireplace and a fireplace insert. Now that you've got that, you're going to want to get some wood. You're going to want to get some wood. You're going to want to get some wood. Now that you've got yourself some wood, you're going to want to clean out your fireplace insert. Let's do that now. Okay, that's much better. Next, you're going to want to just put a whole bunch of paper in there. Just shove a whole bunch of paper and maybe a little fire starter in there. Just shove it all in there. Good. Now that you've got a whole bunch of paper shoved in there, next, you're going to want to put in some small pieces of wood, what we call kindling. Just small pieces you find around the house, little pieces here and there, and just shove all that in there. Get it in there good. Now that you've shoved a whole bunch of wood in your fireplace insert, clean up your mess. You don't want to start a fire where you don't want one. Good. Now, throw some medium-sized pieces of wood on there. Just something that will allow it to catch once the kindling starts burning. Just something small, nothing too crazy. All right. Now we're ready. You want to make sure that you open the flue. Don't forget about that. Once you have your flue open, go ahead and light some of the paper inside of there and watch it go. Now that your flue is open, it's time to have some fun.